What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning and welcome back to your daily dose of Luna Classic. A Luna Classic update in which we'll take a look at the price mainly. We'll also talk a little bit about the fundamentals behind the crypto market now. And obviously fundamentals for Luna Classic, but there are not many right now. Alright, so there are some things I wanted to talk about, some less positive things, but also some very optimistic possibilities, at least for Luna Classic. So yeah, let's dive right into it. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing great, by the way. Volume has gone up quite a bit. Yesterday was a very volatile day, as you can see. What we got inflation rate. That makes the crypto market moves a lot, or inflation rate numbers. So you all know what happened to Bitcoin, big drop, then we bounced back up. I also explained that a little bit in my video about the inflation rate if you want to check that out, but I'm not going to go into depth too much in this video because we're talking about Luna Classic. Volume high, that's also reflected in the burn rate, or the burn tag yesterday was the highest level since the 4th of October. So that's amazing, almost 300 million. I know I know you all know that that's not a lot compared to the supply, but if you're burning through 300 million every day, it's going to catch up, right? It's going to be something in a year, at least. And apart from that, today I think we're also going to burn nearly 200, maybe a little bit more even. And then Monday we already have the Binance burn coming again. So I think if you take a look right now, we've almost burned through 19 probably. Yeah, almost 19 billion. I think next week we'll probably have burned through yeah, what can I say, 22, probably 22, 23 billion. So not bad, I'd say. But yeah, if we take a look at the price right now, what you can see, just first kind of looking at the general market structure, right? Because I have to be honest, Luna Classic is a pain in the behind to analyze, all right? I'm not trying to get demonetized here. It's a pain in the butt to analyze. You can see that there's quite a lot of bearish momentum here, but you can also see that within that bearish momentum we had spikes, we had drops, spikes, drops, and that is because Luna Classic really reacts a lot to news and fundamentals about Luna Classic specifically. So Luna Classic could actually move up, as you can see, move out of that downtrend, and I want to say that it doesn't matter that we broke above this trend line right now. Trend lines are good, but they're not great. All right, they can give you some nice entries, such as right here, but it doesn't mean that when you broke above that immediately we're not anymore in the downtrend. It's still a lower high, as you can see. But apart from that, there's basically two reasons in which Luna Classic could actually get up to 30,000 again, which is our next resistance level, and maybe even get up to 31,500. And those two reasons are either bullish fundamentals for Luna Classic, so basically news, right? News that's good for the price of Luna Classic. Let's say a Coinbase listing, for example. But apart from that, bullish fundamentals in the crypto market also can help Luna. Luna is kind of an independent coin that moves kind of on its own. But still, I think that could help Luna Classic too, because it brings a lot of positive sentiment. So if Bitcoin today is actually able to get above 20,000, for example, I think Luna Classic could also take a break retest, because we are definitely dropping down to 28,500 and 28,000. Take a break retest off of that and break above 29,000 and get up to 30,000. Alright, but those are the only two scenarios. If both of those things don't happen, we're just going to find some support at 28,000 and then start dropping down towards 27,500 and then down to, I mean, we're probably, yeah, it's hard to say. This was when the inflation rate hit, right? So I think we'll probably drop down to 26,500 again and hold at that level. And then from there, we'll have another chance, as I said, to get either bullish fundamentals for Luna Classic or from the market. But yeah, it's going to be tough. That's also why I'm analyzing it every day, to kind of stay updated on what's happening around it and the price. But I'd say something like this is the most likely scenario, and that's mainly based on the technicals, all right? Because we hit quite a significant resistance level, and even though we also had quite a significant bullish breakout earlier this night, I think the resistance level is a little bit stronger. But as I said, there are some ways in which we can actually continue going up. So keep an eye on Bitcoin, I'd say. And for now, that's my take on Luna Classic for today. So if you do have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. I want to wish you all a great day, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care and bye.